Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Last week I made for the Mixed Media Emporium Facebook group with Nina, Ribena and Kylie Koo. I made this cover, and I'll put a link somewhere in the corner, there in the corner, or in the description below. And well, I thought about it. I'm going to make a signature or two signatures in this cover. That's the prompt for the second week, to make signatures in here. And my idea was to do two eyelets here, and then only with elastic, and then only one signature. But when I do that, the pages has to be a bit smaller, something like this, to fit in. And I'm not sure if I want that, because I have more pictures, more pages. This is a good size, so I'm still thinking about just do the elastic around this or two eyelets. But I will do it with elastic, so I can put signatures in of pages, sheets in and out of the journal. And I think I'm just going to do one. I will fetch some elastic, I forgot that. So I have a piece of brown stuff here, elastic, you see. I don't know where I got it from, so I can do it this way. Just one or two signatures. Maybe I will do two. This is the simplest way. I don't have a blue elastic. If I had blue, I would use blue, but I don't have. So I could do it this way. But because I have the lace here, and I could do it with eyelets. Let's try eyelets. I have my crocodile here. And, well, again, I have the lace here, and I'm not sure if I can punch through the lace. Maybe I can, but I will try. Maybe it's too thick. One here, just trying. Oh, that's easy. That's easy. And now I have to search for an eyelet. I have gray ones. So I will put one over there. Oh, that's okay. I never know how to keep this thing, or to hold this thing. What's the bottom and what's the... Something like this. Oops, I squeezed a bit too hard, I think. Well, it fits. And one over here. The big hole. Voila. Oh, I have to use it again, of course. It's a bit thick, but it works. That is the bottom and that is the top. Squeeze a bit less. Yeah, that's better. Well, that works. So I'm going to do one signature through the eyelets, like so, and so. And stretch it for a bit. Well, I hope it works this way. Just like that. And just burn the ends a bit for keeping it from fraying, I hope. Like that. So I think that's, yeah, that's good enough. And now I have to search for some signatures or pages. I have here a little. That fits? Yeah, that fits. That was a signature from another journal I put out. And I could use those pieces. I've shown that. You see, something like that. There are a few embellishments in it already. And I have a lot of tea-dyed papers, scrap papers, papers from old books I like. These are a bit too big now, so I'm not going to use these ones. I could make them smaller, of course, but, well, why should I do that? This one, I can use those, yes. And I can use those, I think, yes. And I could use those if I want to. No, these are too big too. So, well, I have a lot of pages, so that's not so important. But I like these ones. And I think I'm going to rearrange the pages. And I have a lot of ledger papers here. Could use some of those. So I will fold some papers and I will make my signature. I put my signature in, and there were 15 sheets, so 60 pages, and I think it's too many, but we will see. Just one signature. I can put sheets out and sheets in if I want to. I can work on loose sheets if I want to, and then can put them in and out, and I like that very much. So this is my journal with one signature in it, and well, we'll see what will happen in the Facebook group of Kylie Koo and Nina Rabina. And well, thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye bye.